So there are some parts of the country, some iwi, where their dialect favours e ana, and they use it quite a lot. So instead of kei te pehe koe, they might say e pehe ana koe. In other parts of the country, you quite often hear e ana as a subclause. Oh God, what's a subclause? Well, a subclause is a part of the sentence that kind of is tagged on to another part of the sentence to give more information. So I could say, I am eating an ice cream. That's a sentence. Or I could say, I am eating an ice cream which is delicious. And the which is delicious part is a subclause. So I can say, I am listening to the woman, ke te pokorongo ahau, ki te wahine. But I could add a little subclause to add some more information. For example, I could say, I am listening to the woman who is singing. And in Te Reo Māori, we would use e ana for that. Kei te pokorongo o, ki te wahine, e waiata ana. I am listening to the woman who is singing. And this structure is actually used quite a lot. Kei te umere, te papa, ki ngā tamariki e tākaro ana. The father is shouting at the children who are playing. Kei te mōhio o ki te tangata e noho ana I Horniki. I know the person who lives in Wellington. I ki te aho I te kuri e oma ana ki te pari. I saw the dog that was running through the house. Kua tai mai te kaiako e ako ana I Te Reo Māori. The teacher who teaches Māori has arrived. I ki te o I te tama e tangi ana. I saw the boy who was crying. Kua rongo koe I te manu e waiata ana I te ata. Have you heard the bird that is singing in the morning? Have you? Have you really? Have you really?